Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions and analysis for US30 and US100. So far the markets have exactly behaved in the same fashion as I forecasted in my morning update. Also yesterday was a very good day when we saw a good drop and then a good bounce back on US30 and US100 as I shared in my analysis that all the indicators are trading at bottom, so we might see a drop and then probably a reversal can happen. That is what is exactly has happened. Now US100 at 15680 and US30 at 36120 levels. Now if you have watched my morning forecast for global markets, almost all the markets have achieved what they were about to. And if you see gold and silver, exactly 1810 22 to 2270 levels, that was the target earlier shared in the day. And for FTSE 100, Nifty 50 and US30 US100 also in fact has achieved 15750 and 36225 levels. What is going to happen today? Let's start with US100 first. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment friends. And every like is a motivation to me, every comment is a motivation to me, and please share it across. Please subscribe the channel too and support the channel. So let's start with US100 first. US100 right now trading at 15680 levels. Now look at this. This is on the 4-hour charts. Now this is the channel here, and precisely it has got its support here at 15640. So if it breaks 15640, then only I will recommend you to go short. Probably once it breaks 15640 levels, then you can expect it to in fact achieve 15600. But believe me, 15580 levels is something which is the level you have to watch out for the day. If it breaks 15580, then only I will recommend you to go short for 15400 again. Till the time it trades above 15580, my expectation for US100 is to achieve this level. Can you see here that these candles? Probably the first resistance will come somewhere here, which is already it has achieved. The next resistance is directly now at 15850 900 levels. So probably now if it goes past 15750 60 levels, my next target is towards 15800 and 850 levels, and beyond that sky is the limit. It can further fly towards 15900 and 16000 levels as well. So that is what I am expecting from US100 today. And probably if it breaks 15640, that is the level one can go short. Till the time one can remain long on US30 100. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts we found that, see, this is the consolidation zone, this is the breakout candle, and only if it goes and drops below this candle, that is precisely at 15600, if it drops below 15600, you can go short. And specifically this zone at 15500, that is again a stronger resistance. So below that it might try to achieve 15500. I don't expect it to do so. I will expect it to rise again. Why I am saying so? See, there is a wick available. This is the first candle after this consolidation zone, and probably now till the time it is above 15620 15600 levels, we can expect that it will give a second red candle, green candle, which is going to be further sharp, further high, which will try to take it towards 15850 and then towards 15900, and in fact 16000 is possible if it continues to rise beyond 15840 and 15900 levels, then and then only. So now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, contrary to that, we can see that on the 2-hour chart, let me give you a closer look at it. So drop, retracement, further highs, retracement. Now here is the support lying at around 15650 on the 2-hour charts. At the same time, higher highs on previous candle is something we are looking forward to. Now in fact, if it goes beyond, if it passes half this candle, that is at around 15720 15730, you can go long and you can expect it to rise towards 15800 levels, and then the channel will take it towards 15800 directly. So possibly beyond this we can expect 15780 800, and then it will target towards 15840 900 also later in the day, because this will be then trying to achieve this zone. And that is what in fact we saw on a 4-hour chart, on a daily chart also, and hence that I will consider this as a reversal that time. Possibly we will look forward to achieving 15840 15900, and beyond that also it might try to head towards 16000 later this week. Now look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, this is the consolidation zone, and probably this is the consolidation zone, almost reflecting the same. Now it is trying to complete this pattern, and the pattern completion is at around 15,840, 850 levels. Hence, now if it breaks here, if it breaks 15,740 anytime, if you see it breaking, possibly that time you can take a long, and you can expect it to head towards 15,800, then 15,820 and beyond levels also. And also on the same side, same time, if you see it breaking below 15,600, that is the time I will recommend you to go short. I will expect it to drop further sharper towards 15,580 and then towards 15,500 directly. Now on the daily charts, you will see on the daily charts that this is a kind of, after this strong breakdown, now it has got again its support at 15,500. Below 15,600, if it breaks, then only I will consider this as a good short, else it might try to trade in fact in between this zone between 15,580 to 15,750 possibly, or it might at best try to achieve the high at around 15,820 and then drop till possibly the bottom should be at around 15,580 levels. Beyond that only I will consider this as a good drop and expect it to drop considerably. Now let's have a look at the indicators. On the indicators front, on the daily charts, you will find that there is a strong resistance available here from the 100 moving average, simple and exponential, that is at around 15,770 and 15,800. Now if this time it crosses and passes by 15,800, crosses 100-day moving average, that is a very good sign, and that level will become a good support for US100 that time. Also, as I said, most of the indicators were almost trading at rock bottom levels, and if you can see the DPO is in red, you can see that the stochastic were oversold, trying to rise from here. There is a divergence available, and hence possibly a bullish move today can be expected. At the same time, you can see this, the MACD lines are trying to converge. This is stabilized, and from here possibly few green candles will make it go in green in a buy zone again, and RSI was almost trading at the bottom levels. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts, now there is a crossover on the 4-hour charts, and the stochastic is overbought, and you can see there is a crossover happening, and hence this is a indication that this is a bearish, probably a drop, a candle which might, or red candle can be expected, because there is a crossover happening. But believe me friends, this can be sustained for some more time. You can see this happening here. There was a crossover, then sudden drop, then again it tried to sustain these levels. So it can sustain. If it sustains above say 15,600, definitely it will try to reverse towards 15,820 levels for sure. Now look at the support levels on a 4-hour chart. You will find that now there is a resistance coming here at around 15,710 levels, and there is a support coming in at around 15,700, 15,660 levels, and then towards 15,600. So 15,600 is strongest level for the day, strongest support for the day. Breaking 15,600, then only I will consider this as weak. Then my next target will be to achieve 15,540, 15,500 levels. Else my target for it is to achieve 15,820. Till the time it remains above 15,720 levels, we can expect it to rise past beyond 15,820 levels on the 4-hour charts. Now on the 3-hour charts, let me just show you a glimpse of it, how it looks like. Overbought, trying to drop. On a 2-hour charts, overbought. On an hourly charts also overbought, and hence a probable minor drop can be expected, which might take it towards, once again, towards 15,640 and then towards 15,600. But that is the ultimate support which I am looking forward to. If it breaks 15,580, 600 zone, then only I'll consider this as a bearish move towards 15,540, 500 levels. Else it might try to trade in range between 15,580 to 15,780. In fact, 15,820 levels can also be seen. So considering this, let me give you the levels to trade for. Now right now I will recommend you to go long at 15,723. taking it for 15745. Beyond that you can expect 15770, and beyond that 15800, 15820. Then it will directly land towards 15880. Beyond that it will head in fact cross 15920 levels also, and can in fact rise beyond that. Sky is the limit. So this is a bullish target for the day. If it continues to trade beyond this, and in fact the most probable support level will come, resistance level will come into picture at somewhere here at around 770 to 820 levels. It might try to achieve this and trade till 15580, a possible uh, levels which I can see, expect that it might trade in between these. Now on the contrary, if you see it dropping below 15600, I will say 15640, here you can take a shot for 15600 and 15580. Now remember friends, this is the ultimate support for the day. This zone between 15580 to 15600 is the ultimate support for the day. If it breaks 15580, then you can take a further short position. Then you can definitely remain short for 15540 and 15500. This resistance will again come into picture. Below 15500 it will drop sharply towards 15400 and then towards 15350. Now this zone to from 15400 to 350 is very important. I had told several times, once again I am telling, 15350 400 is a very important level. Below that we can expect it to drop sharply towards 15200 again. But what I will expect today is in fact probably if you see it dropping till 15580 540, that time it's also you can initiate a buy. Definitely it will try to take it along towards 15750 levels probably, and on the high it might also achieve 15800 to 15820 zone. So this is all for US100 today. Now let's move towards US30. US30 trading at 36,100. You can clearly see that there is a very strong support now available between 36,000 to 36,020. For the day, till the time it remains above 36,000, you can definitely remain long, but below 36,000 I will be again bearish. So this is the first observation. Also, this is the box in which it was trading between 36,000 to 36,120 levels, 100 levels. Now it is trying to again come back into this zone. 3 red candles in almost in succession. Also this is higher high, and hence there is still some bullishness. So hence now if you see it breaking 36,150, you can go long. You can expect it to again achieve 36,220 and then beyond 240, and in fact can go further to that. On the downside, this zone at 36,020 to 36,000, very strong support levels. Below that it can break significantly, as I said in my yesterday's analysis also, and today also I am saying, repeating the same thing. Now on the 2-hour charts, strong support available here till this zone. Probably it might drop till somewhere here, and then probable a green candle can be seen later, and that is what we can expect. That also if it breaks past, if you see it going past 36,170 levels, probably that is the time you can expect it to trade in green. Similar big bullish candle might arrive, where you can expect almost 100 points, so 36,300, almost 36,250 270 levels can be achieved, and beyond that also it might try to achieve today. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts you can see this was a bullish candle, but see, bulls are trying to, bears are trying to take the control, and bulls are retracing back, and again it is trying to trade in this zone. Hence, a probable support at 36,000 can be expected. On the contrary, if you see it breaking 36,170, you can expect it to rise sharply, and beyond 36,220 levels specifically, it might rise sharply towards 36,300 directly. So take your positions accordingly. Now look at the 2-hour chart, similar formation, and on an hourly charts, you can see this is the fourth candle trying to act in green. We have already seen. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, see, there is a resistance available here at around 36,300. Probably it might try to achieve that. On the downside, see, this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. Hence, also I showed in the morning, 36,000 is the ultimate support for the day. Till the time it remains above 36,000, it will try to trade in between 36,300 to 36,000 levels. In fact, a drop below 36,000 might take it towards 35,900. Then the zone is still at around 36,300 to 35,900. Probably a 400 points of zone in which it might trade in. So now let's have a look at the indicators. Indicators on the daily chart, there is a little resistance available at around from 50 moving average at around 36,120 levels, and on the upside you might find a little resistance at around 36,300. There is a strong support available at 36,000 and then 35,800 levels. I told in my previous analysis also DPO is in buy. Now look at the stochastic, almost at bottom and trying to rise from here. And if you look at the MACD lines, the MACD lines have crossed over here and trying to trade in red. However, if it is really bullish, it might try to give couple of green candle and then cross over into buy zone, else 1-2 green candles and then might drop again later this week. Now RSI is comfortable. I don't see any signal on RSI as of now. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, you will find that there is a strong support at right now at 36,100, and then till 36,000 it is having stronger support, and in fact till 35,970 on the upside, till 36,200, then it will directly lend towards 36,300. So I can see a probable trading zone between 36,000 to 36,300, and in fact if it tries to drop somewhere between 36,000 to 35,900, it might try to hit 35,900 and then it will bounce back again towards 36,200 300 levels. Another probability which exists and which can happen when the cash market opens. So if it tries to dip, probably I can say buy the dip is the call, but still take a cautious call once while trading. 4-hour MACD or 4-hour stochastics are comfortable, and look at this is a crossover on the 4-hour chart on the buy zone, and hence it is indicated that probably we might see a couple of green candles. On a 3-hour charts, it is overbought, it appears, and MACD are on buy side. So let me jump to the trading levels directly rather. For the day, I will recommend you to go long at 36,173. Beyond that, 36,220, and beyond that 36,280 is the target. Then it might in fact try to hit 36,300, and beyond that it will head towards 36,400 directly. But I don't think that it might try to cross 36,300, but these are markets, anything is possible. Beyond you and me, don't trade as per what I think or what you think. Trade as per the levels. You will always be in profit. Put a stop loss. That's it, man. That's it, what you need. Nothing else. Eliminate any bias. You think that the markets are bullish. Who cares about you think or Ankit Jain thinks or anybody else thinks that the market is bullish? Markets are what they are. Trade as per the levels. That's it. Go with the flow. Then only you will be able to save the money. Always put a stop loss. And if you take a short position here, go with the flow. That is why I always give you the bear case and the bull case. Chapter closed. Trade with the levels. Now, if you see it dropping below 36,000, that is the level I will recommend you to go short it. Rather till 35,970, I will not recommend you to go short. This is the level at which I will recommend you to go short for 35,900. In fact, even if it tries to achieve 35,900, this is also not a bear case right now for the day. I will expect it to bounce back again, possibly towards 36,300. So anytime if you see a drop, probably that is the time to buy the dip. And yes, below 35,900, if you see it dropping, probably that is the time where we can expect that it is going to drop considerably towards 35,800, 35,720, and 35,600. Though I expect a reversal, but any draw below 36,000, close your longs. I expect then probably breaking 36,000 today, we might see a good break till 35,900, and from there also we probably see or expect that it might reverse. But yes, these are markets, anything is possible. Below 36,000 I will expect it to act bearish, and hence this zone between 36,173, 36 200 to 36,000, extremely dicey movement. And yes, below 36,000 I'll be mostly or moderately bearish. Below 35,900 it might try to drop extremely towards 35,700. This time if it drops, probably we might not see 36,000 soon. If it means if today again, that is what I expect. So it might not reverse like what it did, how it did yesterday, but yes, a probable good drop can be seen, and then a bounce back can be expected. So this is all from my side for the day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training related queries. Definitely I will try my best to support you. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.